Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete or hide the birthday calendar on your Google Calendar mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Google Calendar app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the side menu. Scroll down to the Others Calendar or Birthday section. Look for birthdays in the list. To hide birthdays, simply uncheck the box next to the birthday. This will remove birthday event from your calendar view but not delete them permanently. If you want to delete individual birthday event, you will need to delete the birthdays from your Google Contact cause birthday came from there. Open the Google Contact app or visit the contact.google.com on your browser, find the contact and remove their birthday info. After hiding or deleting, refresh your Google Calendar app by swiping down on the calendar screen. The birthday event will now be gone or hidden. And that's it. That's how you hide or delete the birthday calendar on the Google Calendar mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.